Good morning, students. We are going to study biology today, and as you can see on the title, I have put Welcome to Biology Heaven. And let me tell you, why do I call it Biology Heaven? Because as you know, biology is learning about life, and I feel the more we learn about life, the more we enter into heaven, isn't it? So let's move on today's topic. So our topic for today is the nature and variety of living organisms, and we are going to cover the following syllabi, which is actually IGCSE, GCSE, AQA, O-level and checkpoint biology. What does it mean? Why I have highlighted all these syllabi? It means that in this course I'm going to focus more on keywords and key points that are required by these syllabus to score full marks in your exams. So let's move on. Let's go through our syllabus first. So our syllabus outline is characteristics of living organisms, where we will recall that living organisms share the following basic characteristics. Furthermore, we will study about variety of living organisms, where we will understand that there is a wide variety of living organisms and that modern biology classifies organisms on the basis of their structure and how do they function. Next, we will have the description, where we will describe the common features shared by the organisms within the 5 main groups: plants, animals, fungi, bacteria and viruses. And of course we will study each group with the help of example and their features. So let's move on. Focus here. I'm going to reveal some pictures to you. I want you to observe what is the difference. Let me put up my question here. What are the differences between the living and non-living things on this page? Can you highlight? Can you observe a few? Movement, breathing, reproduction, growth. So let's move on. There are 7 characteristics of living organisms. And if we remember all these 7, we would know that how we can classify a living organism. So how would we remember? Mrs. Gran. You would be wondering, oh, what is Mrs. Gran? Mrs. Gran is actually an easy way to remember 7 characteristics of living organisms. Hold on, guys, hold on. Let me tell you what is it. Yes, let's move on to the next slide. Here you can see on my left hand side, there is Mrs. Gran in red, isn't it? And now you know M stands for movement, respiration, sensitivity, growth, reproduction, excretion and nutrition. So here this is Mrs. Gran, easy way to remember.